What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with an all-new special review. This is a first look at the all-new cases from Supcase for the iPhone 11. And if I get enough comments and enough views on this video, I may even give some of these away. Who knows? I'm feeling generous. Let's check them out. So I was able to get my hands on the full lineup of brand new cases from Supcase for the iPhone 11. Now, these are all the 6.1 inch model. I'm going to run through the cases. Up top, we got the Electro. In the middle right here, we got the UB Sport. Down bottom, the UB Style. And over on each side is a UB Pro. Now, UB Pro comes in multiple colors. You can get pink, you can get white, you can get, I think they're going to make a purple, but I got blue and black right here. There'll probably be a few more colors of the Sport as well. The Electro, I think that's all the colors in that. And then there may be one more color in the UB Style. So what I'm going to do first is I'm just going to pick one case at random. I'm going to highlight that case from that lineup. And then at the end, I'm going to just take one case and I'm going to try it on the phone just to make sure that it fits. And I'm going to show you guys how they will look. So first off, let's talk about the most minimalistic in the lineup. This is the UB Style. So UB Style is basically just a rubberized or a silicone bumper, TPU style. You got buttons that match up over here, cutouts, window for our camera right here. Everything looks good. Now, if you want to show off that phone, the UB Style is one of the best ways to do that, just because you're going to be able to show that back off no matter what color you get. It's going to fit great. It's going to fit great and it's going to look good as well. Also offers you a measure of protection with these. They're silicone, but it's a hard shell right here. So if you squeeze, the edges kind of come in, but they don't give. That backing is hard. Next up is the UB Sport. Now, last year's UB Sport did not come with a screen. It was just a rubberized bumper. This time we got a screen on the front. It's going to protect that glass. You got the rubberized bumper around the edges, and you got nice grippiness. So I've had one of these cases. I've used one of these cases before. Nice, grippy, and they're tough. Also, these have been military drop tested. So you get your logo right there, military drop tested. Everything's been approved by Supcase, and we know that their phones can survive up to 20 feet on a drop test. Next up top, we're looking at the Unicorn Beetle Electro. Now, these cases are probably going to be some of the best selling because they basically combine the protective front of the Sport and the style of the style. You can see through it. You're going to be able to see your phone through there. You're going to be able to match up the color, whatever color phone you get, with the case that you get, and it's going to be able to pop right off. So truly electric with these cases over here. And last but not least, here we go, the big boy in the series, the Unicorn Beetle Pro, the one that offers the most style, the most resilience, the one that is going to be the best one to actually protect that phone, that expensive phone that you're about to put all that money into. Unicorn Beetle Pro has a bunch of different aspects to it. You got hard rubberized, hard shell on the back. You got kickstand. You got plastic front. It's going to protect your glass. What more can you ask for from a phone other than the holster? So Unicorn Beetle Pro is known for the holster that actually flips around 360 degrees. So at any angle that you want to put this on your hip, you got it with Unicorn Beetle Pro. So now that we've gotten a good look at these actual cases, let's take a look at how they are going to fit this brand new iPhone. So first off, I'm starting with the Unicorn Beetle Style, and it just pops in just like that. And there you go. You still get that nice logo for your Apple device right there. Now, this case is a clear case. It's going to be a slight fingerprint magnet. It's going to pick up just about everything you put on there. But other than that, it looks good. It's going to allow you to be able to see that phone. Everything seems to match up, and these buttons are nice and clicky, nice and tactile. Now, for reasons I can't turn this phone on, just to let you guys know, I'm not going to be able to do that on this video, but later on we will get a full charging test and everything out of the way. Right now, I just want to show you what it looks like in these cases. So next up, UB Sport. We We got UB Sport right here. Now remember, any of these cases that you're going to remove the front on, first you are going to drop this piece on, pick up your rubberized edge, and slide it down in there like so. And there you have it. So nice looking device, looks good, feels good in the hand. You'll still be able to see your color back behind there. Camera cutout looks really good in there. Camera is nice and protected down in that recess. No issues whatsoever with that. Buttons, nice, tactile, everything looks good, and our cutouts down bottom match up. Next up, we got the big boy here, the Unicorn Beetle Pro. We know that this is probably the tank of the bunch. That snaps on and fits really well. Just to let you know, that front piece, it doesn't feel loose or anything. It feels really good when you snap it on. All right, and there we go. Everything is lining up. We got our logo back here. We got our kickstand right there for your kickstand. 2 orientations, just like so. Camera is nice and protected right there. Looks good, sits down in a groove. Buttons, nice and tactile on the sides here. Everything looks good. And we are matching up down bottom. And you got a little flap for your charging port right there. Everything looks good. And last but not least, you have the Unicorn Beetle Electro right here. 2 pieces. Once again, you're gonna peel that front off, drop it down, and that one fits really snug too, guys. Drop those in just like so, and boom, there you go. iPhone is nice and protected. Now it is a clear back, and my hands do get a little sweaty, so you're gonna see fingerprints from time to time, but it will be slightly a fingerprint magnet just because of a clear backing. Right here, camera is right there at that edge. It's protected, but it's very slim, so just be careful with this case. Like you can see right there, it's a slight raise, so the camera is protected, but it's a very slight raise in there. Buttons feel nice and clicky on the side. Down bottom, everything is going to match up, and we are good to go all the way around. Solid case for that brand new iPhone 11. So there we have it, guys. We went from the Electro to the Sport to the Style to the Pro, from the least protective to the most protective tank that Supcase has to offer for this brand new iPhone. So I'm going to drop a link below so you can go and actually pre-order these. You can't buy these right now, but you can pre-order them. All pre-orders are going to get 30% off. And you can also enter into a drawing to win a free iPhone from Supcase. So I want you to check that out. Like I said, the link will be below. So be sure and check that link out. Supcase, get your 30% off your pre-orders and enter to win an iPhone. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.